Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I got my Look Fantastic box in the mail. This is the December Look Fantastic box. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so before we get into this lovely box right here, I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel. If you haven't been on my channel before, welcome. My name is Aisha. I am a makeup subscription box channel. I do lots of makeup subscription boxes because I love makeup and trying new things, but at an affordable price. So now I get to try lots of things and I get to share all the things that I get from all my makeup subscription boxes with you guys. Also, I do makeup hauls, I do mystery boxes, and for the month of December, I'm doing advent calendars. I actually did some advent calendars in November as well. And yeah, so if you love makeup overall, just subscribe to my channel because we're going to be talking a lot about makeup and showing a lot of makeup on this channel. Alrighty, so without further ado, let's see what I got in my box. So for starters, I just want to say between Look Fantastic and BEAUTYBOX, they put so much detail into their boxes. Like, wow, wow, wow. This one is not like the best I've seen from Look Fantastic, but I love how their boxes look. Look Fantastic is a UK makeup subscription band box. I don't live in the UK, I live in the United States. But I do buy some subscription boxes from the UK. I also do the BEAUTYBOX as well. And I just like trying brands from like all over. So that's a way you get to experiment with different things you wouldn't have normally experimented from where you live. This box retails for $17 a month, which I think is very affordable. For being a UK brand, I would think would be more, a UK subscription box, I would think would be more money, but it's actually not. So very reasonable price. So like if I don't like stuff, it's like I pay $17. It's not that like serious if I don't like something. But without further ado, let me stop rambling and show you guys what I got. Alright, so when you open the box, as always, you got like a little booklet that tells you what you got inside your box. I see some some gold stringy hanging from the box. They always have like a little sale on the box. Same thing like BEAUTYBOX. The Look Fantastic box reminds me a lot like of BEAUTYBOX, to be honest with you. I wonder if it's like the same like company, because they both are UK makeup subscription boxes and the boxes look very similar. But nevertheless, this is a sneak peek. Let me see if I can do the sneak peek without dropping something for the first time ever. That's your sneak peek. I love this. Oh, this is so pretty. I may actually save this and put this in somebody's like Christmas, like their stocking stuffer thing, because this is too beautiful to throw out. I gotta recycle. Look, guys, the camera shows no. Look how pretty. Do you guys see how pretty this? Look at this. This is beautiful. I will not be throwing that out. I will be definitely saving that. Alrighty, but let's see what's in this box. Alrighty, so I'm not seeing too much makeup, so I'm not too happy. This is one of the subscription boxes where you don't get to choose like what's in there. Some boxes you get to choose like 1 or 2 items. This box you do not. Same as BEAUTYBOX. Alrighty, so I'll start off with the makeup item. This is a makeup brush. It's a double-ended eye brush by Brushworks. You got like an angle brush for under the brows, and actually this will be really beneficial to me because I use angle brushes to clean under my brow, and then I use like a regular like eyeshadow brush to clean underneath. But this has both in one, so I think this will be really great. So let's see here. Oh, I like this. I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this. This is what one side of the brush looks like. That's what the other side looks like. So normally I just use an angle brush to clean under my brows. And then I take a regular eyeshadow brush and I just blend everything out. Love this. So I do love this. So if I don't like anything else, I know I love that. And then the books always tell you like what's in the box. So see what's in the box. It says what's in the box. And then they tell you like what's in the box. There goes a brush that I just got. And that brush retails for, does it tell you the price? I do not see price. So it just tells you about, like, sometimes they do have prices, but for some reason, yeah, there's no prices in here. So that's no good. Alrighty, so no prices. Sorry, guys. The next thing I got, what is this? This is an eyeshadow from the brand The Balm. I actually have some eyeshadow from the brand The Balm that I got from my Ipsy subscription boxes. What is this? Is this a cream shadow? It is a cream shadow. So it's like, this looks like it was touched, but it's a cream shadow. That's why. That's what the color looks like. I'll try it out. I haven't really bought too much cream shadows because sometimes I feel like they look oily on the lid, and they kind of like transfer. So, but I'll try it. I haven't tried a cream shadow in a while. All right, the next thing I got is from the brand Ren. It's, what is this? This is hand and body lotion. I thought this was like a skincare line, but I mean, you could always use lotion, so I'm not too mad about this. So to be honest, the first three things I got, I thought I was going to be more disappointed by looking at it, but I actually will use. I mean, it's the winter time, it's cold, so you can never have too much lotion. So I do like that. The next thing I got is a facial mask, a pink clay facial mask. It's paraben free. And it says gently extracts impurities and environmental pollution to leave skin looking radiant and clear. I'll probably give this away. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I normally don't keep any skincare I get from any of my boxes unless it's like a name brand that I've been dying to try. But some of even the other name brand stuff I've given away as well, because like if I have doubles of something, like I'm definitely gonna give away that Sunday Variety because I have 2 already and I only have one face. I actually got this already, the Jekka Black Glow Drops. I got this from Ipsy, so it looks like Lookfantastic. They give a lot of stuff away that's same thing as Ipsy. Ipsy's like they do a lot of indie stuff, and it seems like this brand does as well. This is Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for Face. This is a primer. Is it open? Is it sealed? If it's sealed, I'm gonna give it away. Yeah, it's sealed. I don't know about me keeping this. It says champagne, but I'm just scared it's not gonna match my skin tone, so I'm probably gonna give this away to somebody. Just because if it doesn't match my skin tone, I'm not gonna be able to use it once I open it, and then nobody wants something used. I got a Avant. This is a hyaluronic Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. So I guess like some eye cream. That's what it looks like. I will not be keeping this because you guys know I don't keep the skincare. And that is about it. That's all she wrote. What would I rate this box? 3 out of 10. There was nothing that I was really... Actually, this brush I was excited about, but it was only one thing out of the whole box. So, yeah, 3 out of 10. This is the only thing I really was excited for. Will I use a lotion? Hells yeah. Will I use the eye cream? Heck yeah. But everything else, like the other 3 skincare stuff, I'm not going to be using any of these 3. I'm going to give these 3 away. So, yeah. So, I mean, if you like trying a lot of indie brands and stuff like that, then I would say this box, the Glossy box, and Ipsy, they definitely have like a lot of indie stuff in there for you. If you like more like name brand brands, I would say BoxyCharm does a lot of name brand, and so does my Chic Beauty box. And that's really about it. I'm super excited. I think I'm going to start doing my Ipsy. I still didn't get my Ipsy Plus, but I'm going to do my Ipsys next. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Ipsy subscription boxes, then stay tuned for that from the next video. If you guys haven't already liked my video and you want to show me some support, that's the best way. You can show your girl some love. Always giving me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you haven't subscribed and you watched my video for the first time and you love makeup subscription, I mean, who doesn't love makeup subscription boxes? Then subscribe. Become a part of my YouTube family. Alrighty, guys. I am done for the day. I just did 2 videos back to back as always. And stay tuned for the next video. Love and miss you guys. Bye.